Male likes to be the big bad guy, and she's doing pretty good on her
Two
own.
ferrets here at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford,
Toby's more tough.
entertaining the kids at Camp Critter.
She's like, I'm gonna get you.
And Toby is the smaller girl. This is Toby.
Toby
She's a little bit smaller, and Lucas is the bigger boy. And he thinks he's pretty cool.
He thinks his tail is something else.
Yeah, that's how they play.
Do they ever chase their tails?
No, they don't really chase their tails.
I want two ferrets to watch them do this.
They chase each other though,
Yeah,
don't
they do
they?
chase each other.
Tag. Oh no.
And male and females do really well together.
Tag, tag. You're in, tag, you're in. Nope, tag, tag.
As long as they've been spayed.
Yep, they've been spayed and neutered and descented.
How little are their babies?
Yep, and they're pretty small babies.
They're like ninjas.
Yep, but they also get a rabies
This is
vaccine
why I want
every
to get a
year.
ferret, Tam.
What are their names again?
This is Lucas, and this is Toby.
But how
And she's not letting him go. Good for you, little
How long
girl.
do they have a cage like this?
She's smaller, but she's just said, I need to play, I need to play. You're gonna play.
They live about 7 to 8 years.
I like how they run too.
Yeah.
How old are they now?
These guys are just over a year.
Oh, really?
Yep.
How long do they live?
They live 7 to 8 years.
They're a little tired out.
Yeah, these guys have